Let me show you a simple ChatGPT trick that sends you daily job openings automatically. First, I give ChatGPT this prompt. Copy this and paste it in ChatGPT. You simply replace example roles with your preferred job, like front-end developer data analyst. Any role you want, then submit the prompt. That's it. ChatGPT now searches jobs every single day for you. And look at this. Every day I get an email from OpenAI with the latest job openings, no manual searching, no job portals, fully automated. If this helped you, like and subscribe. More AI productivity tricks coming.